Signature sauce at Parker's Kitchen.
Live from WTOC, the Southeast News Leader. The News at 5 starts now.
Thanks for joining us on The News at 5. I'm Tyler Mannion. First at 5, prosecutors pushing to move forward in the case of an Effingham County father accused of killing his 2 teenage children and burying them in the family's backyard. This, the Crocker case we've been talking about for years. Elwin Crocker is charged with the murders of his children Mary and Elwin Crocker Jr. back in 2018. He's one of 3 people who could now face the death penalty in the case, and he was back in court today for motion hearings. Our Haley Boland tells us there hasn't been much progress, though, since last month's hearings.
Yet another delay in the Crocker case Monday, as attorneys for Elwin Crocker say they weren't prepared to argue some of the topics scheduled. Monday's hearing was scheduled to tie up loose ends left behind by last month's 3-day-long set of hearings. On the docket this time, decisions around which crime scene photos can be shown to the jury at trial, which electronic devices taken from the Crocker home can be used as evidence, and whether mitigating circumstances have been properly considered in the case. The defense asked for more time to prepare for all but one of those items.
Are you ready to do anything today, Ms. Bell?
Well, based upon the orders that have been issued by Your Honor for these 2 motions, we're not prepared to go forward on either of the 2 evidentiary motions that the court has set for us to go forward on.
Meanwhile, prosecutors expressed their frustration in the courtroom.
They did not file a motion for continuance for today at all, to put any of us on notice that we shouldn't be prepared. We are prepared to argue this as well as have witnesses coming for other motions.
Judge Matthew Hubie says the matters meant to be taken up Monday will be moved to another hearing. Judge Hubie says he'll schedule the next hearing date for the future. In Effingham County, Haley Boland, WTOC News.
To see all of our past coverage and all of the hearings that Haley has been in over the past few years, and an interactive map as well that explains each family member's role and charges in the death and disappearance of Mary and Elwin Crocker Jr., all you have to do is search Crocker on WTOC.com. We have a whole tab dedicated to this case.